The mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is a place in the ocean. It is between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Many ships and planes have disappeared there. People say it is a mystery. But is it really magic? Some people think the Bermuda Triangle has strange powers. They believe in aliens, sea monsters, or time travel. Others say there is a big hole in the ocean that swallows ships. But scientists do not agree. Scientists have different ideas. They say storms and strong waves can sink ships. Powerful winds can make planes crash. The ocean in this area is deep and dangerous. Sometimes, mistakes happen, and people get lost. Most ships and planes travel safely through the Bermuda Triangle. There is no real proof of magic. It is just a normal part of the ocean with bad weather. So, is the Bermuda Triangle dangerous? Maybe, but is it magic? Probably not. Do you believe in the Bermuda Triangle mystery? What do you think happened there?